I was curious if anybody else has this problem and is able to resolve it. You see here, I have this problem, whatever I answered it correctly, but all the data is up here. I can't scroll up there. There's this bar here. I minimize it. I'm looking for another bar. I don't have one. I'm pulling this in, trying to find another bar. I can't find it, and I'm wheeling my mouse up. I can't. It won't let me go back up to the text of the problem, and this happens to me every week. And the only way I can get that data is by saying, after I've answered it, hit show solution, and usually gives me enough information that I need to answer the next question. But in this case, I don't. I need the rest of that information, and I can't get it. I also have some other problems with Wiley Plus, like when I'm taking the weekend quiz, the quiz that says you participated or whatever. My whole window is very small. It's like this size right here, and I have to scroll through, and I'm trying to hit save on my 2 answers and hit submit, and it won't work. I've got to close the whole thing, restart it. I try it again, same thing. I have to do it about 7 to 10 times before it actually saves my 2 answers, says that I did participate in the discussion board and that whatever, I don't know, the other question. Now I hit submit. I can do that like 7 to 10 times before it actually works. I close my entire browser. I reboot the computer sometimes. Finally it works. And in this case, I can't get up here to this text. It's driving me nuts. I can scroll down a little bit, scroll up to there. That's it. And I'm trying everything. I just don't know what to do. I'm hoping y'all have the same problem and figure it out how to solve it. Please let me know. Thanks.